Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent updates in the crypto markets. We are going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, my altcoin trades here. We are also going to talk about some lessons that we learned together from the past couple of weeks, and we will also talk how to avoid doing these kind of trades where they can go in the red. Basically, like we can see here, I opened some trades recently, just in the past 2-3 weeks, and they are still in the red. And we are going to talk about it, how to avoid these kind of trades. I'm still many trades in the green here. We can see my Ethereum trade pumping, Solana trade pumping, Doge trade pumping, Link trade pumping, and many other more. So right now, let's jump straight into the charts, and we can see here Bitcoin, guys, literally broke above this resistance, and that's very beautiful, guys. We broke out of it, and basically we also confirmed it again. We can see here we had a small drop just a couple of hours ago. We dropped almost to $108,000. Then we had a nice bounce back, created a new higher high here at $111,000, and we broke out of this resistance line here. So this downwards trend here is broken, and we can expect Bitcoin to go to higher prices in the next upcoming days. Now the question is, what's the next price target? We can see here we're probably going to face some resistance at around 113k, and once we break above, we will probably go for the 118, and afterwards 124 is the next price target. And I'm definitely thinking that Bitcoin will go for higher highs and new all-time highs in the next weeks or months. So I'm still very bullish on the market. That's why I also opened so many trades, because I think an altcoin season is just around the corner. Because let's go over here quickly to Ethereum here, and we can see here Ethereum broke this big resistance at the $4,000 area, and that's why I jumped into many altcoin trades, because once Ethereum breaks its all-time high, I've been seeing this for over 1 or 2 years, that once Ethereum goes above the previous all-time high and stays there, we can expect a nice altcoin season to come for the crypto market. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. What are the next price targets? What are the charts telling us? And where can we see some support? Let's go over here on the 1 hourly so we can see the short-term trends. For now, I would definitely like for Ethereum to go above 4,550. Afterwards, we can expect higher price targets. And we talked also about this downwards resistance here. That has been also already broken and also confirmed. We can see here just today or tonight, we dipped down below exactly on the point of this resistance line and turned it into support zone, which is definitely quite positive for Ethereum. Now the question is, where is the price going to go, and what would be the next moves for Ethereum? Should we open longs? Should we open stay on the sidelines, or maybe even open shorts? Right now, I think it would be smart to wait for this decision here. I would definitely like for opening a trade to create here a new higher high, and afterwards we might look for some long positions. I'm already in my long position since Ethereum was 1,700. I took profits already and I scaled it up also, so I'm quite happy with the outcome. Now we can talk about my other trades here, and we can see here I opened this immutable trade, bit and sword trade, cake, soy, XLM, and some other one. Actually, just these 4-5 trades here that are in the red zone right now. And why did I open these trades? I opened these trades once Ethereum broke above the $4,000 area, and I have to say I was a little bit too bullish. Even though I saw the RSI was overbought, I still opened some new trades. And usually I don't like to open trades when the RSI is overbought, because usually the market is probably going to have a cool-off phase, and I was just too bullish. I was thinking the altcoin season will basically start today. I had a little bit of FOMO, and that's why I opened so many altcoin trades, guys. But I'm still very positive on these trades, because I think the altcoin season, it's still gonna come, and it's gonna be even more juicy than we can expect, guys. Like right now, Bitcoin is at the highest it's ever been. Ethereum is almost at an all-time high as well, and the altcoins, many of them, we can see here, Tao is basically so far away from its all-time high, guys. We can see here Tao was $800 and now it's sitting at $317, so still a lot of room to grow, and this is one of the main cryptocurrencies in the AI space. So that's why I'm very bullish on Bit. Then we can look at Immutable as well. Immutable is one of the leading tokens in the gaming industry, guys. And we can look here at the chart and we can basically see that IMX also was just a couple of months ago, guys. IMX was here, we can see it in December, or actually in March last year, IMX was $3.15, now sitting at 50 cents, guys. So basically you can easily make a 5 to 6x without any leverage. That's why I'm still long on Immutable and on other tokens as well. And that's the main thing, guys. Don't open trades when the RSI is overbought. Always wait for the cooldown and open trades on good support zones. That's what we can definitely learn all together. Don't get FOMO, you know, there's always going to be an opportunity the next day or the next week or the next month. Patience is definitely a very important skill in crypto. That's why stay on the sidelines. If there is no trade set up, just wait it out and wait for the right time. This is the most important rule, I would say, for trading. You can see here, this cost me quite some money here, but I'm still happy because my other trades are basically paying it out. So this is just some learning money basically, but I'm still quite positive these trades will go in the profits very, very soon, probably in the next couple of weeks, because the altcoin season is really just around the corner. That was it for today's video. If you want to trade like you see me do here on the VX platform, down in the description below, you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. This is a special opportunity for the Mario decentralized community. Check it out and let me know in the comments what you think is going to happen to the altcoins. Which altcoins are you holding? Which altcoins are you buying? Which altcoins are you trading? And thank you for being here. Love you all. Bye.